Welcome to our YouTube channel Pradhan IT Trainer. This video is a face recognition employee attendance system. In this video, we will see those employees which are already registered. That employee through the face we can do present or absent with date and time in the form of Excel sheet. It is a complete GUI based. I have made with the use of Python and MySQL. I have used very good animation also here. As we will start, first login page will appear. So here we have to type email and password to login face recognition attendance system. If you don't know the email address and password, then you have to sign up as a registered new account. Once you will click on register new account, then one dialog box will appear. There you have to fill a registered form like first name, last name, contact number, email address. Here you have to select security questions like your first pet name or birthplace. Then you have to fill the answer, then password, and then confirm password. After filling this, you have to click on the checkbox I agree the terms and condition, then click on registered now. Once you will click the register now, then you have to click on sign in. Once you will sign in, again the login dialog box will appear. There you have to enter new email address and password, then click on login. A welcome dialog box will appear. This will take you main menu, or we can say that main screen of face recognition attendance system. First option you will find out, that is teachers details button. Here we can fill the teachers detail, like for example here you can select department like computer, English, science and so on. Then you have to select subject like computer. Then you have to select a year, current year like 2021 2022. Then you have to select terminal, first terminal or final terminal. So here we will select first terminals. Then you have to fill here teacher ID as a unique ID, then teacher name, class teachers sections, class number. Here you have to select the gender, male or female, date of birth of teacher, email address, phone number, address and HOD name. After filling this, we have to click on the button save. Once you will click on the save, you will find out the details of the teacher right side of the screens. See here you can find out the details of the teacher. You can also search by teacher ID or by the teacher name. So let's try to search with the teacher ID. After writing here the ID number, then you can click on the search. See here it is showing the teachers details. You can see the teachers, all the teachers detail also by clicking the button show all. Once you will click on any teachers details, you will see the teachers detail on the box also. Along with this, if you want to modify anything like the name, class number, date of birth or phone numbers, then you can update also. So after completing this, we will take a photo samples. To take the photo samples, we have to click on this radio button, select this radio button and take a photo sample. It will take a times. The camera will start here and it will take 100 photos to scan your face. After taking the 100 photos, it will give you the message generating data sets completed. After that we have to click on the button train data button. Once it will train, it will give you a message train data completed. Next we have to click on the button face detections. Now the face detections dialog box will appear. Here in the button, green button, we have to click on face recognitions. So here it will start taking the attendance. The camera will switch on automatically and it will recognize your face. So here we have given the recognize the face of Salman Khan. Here you can see the ID and the department also, it is showing the at the top of the photos of Salman Khan. Along with this, it is also recognizing my face also, like teacher ID 1 and the department computer, and my name is also showing at the top of the my video. After recognizing this, the data will go to the Excel sheet. There you will find out the details of the teacher as a present or absent and the date and time also. To see the Excel sheet data, we have to click on the button attendance button. After clicking on attendance button in the main menu, a new window will appear, that is attendance management system. Here you will find out a button import CSV. We'll click on the import CSV button. Then one dialog box will appear. We have to select a file KPS. Once you will import this file, the details of the teacher who all are present or absent you can see here along with the photo. You can also export that file and you can rename that file with the current date or time so that you can use for future. So let's give here today's date along with the KPS. So this is the complete scenario of face recognition systems. Along with this, we having a help desk. In the help desk, you can see the help desk supports person, email address and the YouTube channel name. Along with this, you can also go to the photos button. There you can see all the photos of the teachers. Then along with this, you can also click on the button. Next we having a developer button also. While clicking on the developer button, you will find out again the login buttons so that you can log in with the email address and the password. And the last option we having a exit button. So after clicking the exit button, you will appear one screen to close the screen, yes or no. So this is the complete face recognition systems. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.